Dr. Jarret, a mad scientist, owns a genetic research center and works specifically in the field of animals. He managed to create a dog of the Tibetan Mastiff breed by merging its DNA with that of various other animals, such as tigers, snakes, chameleons, and birds of prey, granting it enhanced strength, speed, and senses. A journalist named Laurie contacts one of the lab employees and gets help to enter the lab and document the atrocities committed against animals. Laurie starts filming the animals until she encounters Max, the genetically modified dog. Max initially appears calm, but Laurie and her assistant are discovered and chased. They manage to escape, with Max joining them in the car. Laurie drives away with the dog, unaware that she has the most dangerous and powerful animal on Earth with her. Dr. Jarret informs the police, trying to explain the seriousness of the situation, fearing that the drug's effects will soon wear off, making Max a threat to everyone around him. The police blame Dr. Jarret and promise to take strict action against him. That same night, as Laurie is getting groceries, a thief attacks her. Max cleverly opens the car door and chases the thief, retrieving the purse. Laurie becomes more attached to Max and decides to keep him with her permanently, especially after seeing the scars from the lab and realizing how much he suffered there. Max behaves with loyalty, obedience, and love towards Laurie, and begins to adapt to his new life, even mating with the neighbor's dog without Laurie's knowledge. Max starts showing aggressive behavior towards everyone he encounters. Perry, Laurie's friend, appears and seems to dislike the dog. After heated arguments between them, Laurie senses Perry's concern about Max and decides to find a new home for him. She takes him to a workshop owner she knows, leaving him with a promise of good treatment. However, after she leaves, the man chains the dog and begins beating him to stop his barking. Max breaks free, attacks, and kills the man. The police discover the dead thief, and Dr. Jarret confirms that Max is the culprit, prompting the police to stop Max at any cost. Max returns to Laurie's home and finds that Perry has replaced him with a small puppy to help Laurie forget about him. Max begins attacking Perry and also attacks Laurie and the neighbor's boy. The police arrive, forcing Max to flee. An ambulance takes Perry away, and the police ask Laurie for help in capturing Max. That night, Max returns and kills the officers watching Laurie's house. Dr. Jarret then appears and kidnaps Laurie to lure Max to the center. Max chases them until their car overturns. Laurie, injured, escapes into the center, with Max following her. She is terrified but remembers that Max only wanted her love, starting to pity him. Dr. Jarret appears and strikes Max, and as Max attacks, both of them die. Laurie mourns deeply as she looks at Max. After some time, the neighbor's dog gives birth to 3 puppies, one of which resembles Max a lot, hinting that the story isn't over yet.